Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Lately, I have been finding a lot of harmonic balancers coming apart. The purpose of a harmonic balancer is to absorb the crank rotation of the engine, and I'm starting to find a lot of these things where the rubber between the serpentine belt, I guess, part of that balancer and the main part of that balancer is rotting away, and pieces of them are coming apart. I can actually feel the rotation of the engine sometimes in some of these cars when I get to a stoplight. That is normally my first clue that these harmonic balancers are going bad. I come to a stoplight, I'm sitting at the stoplight, the engine's rotating, and I can feel the engine actually rotating while I'm driving the car, sitting at a light. So you need to start checking these harmonic balancers. If you see them cracking, pieces of the rubber coming out of them, stuff like that, you need to replace these things before they come apart and wreck your engine. So here's an example of one that I'm going to replace. We got this harmonic balancer, chunks coming out of it, it's falling apart. So we got one to replace it from the salvage yard. So let me go ahead and knock this one off and pop that one on. I'm going to look for the groove in it. The groove is on this side. That lines up with the timing belt on the front side. So I'm going to make sure I put that in the same position. And that pin is walking out of there. That pin shouldn't be out that far. Got this harmonic balancer on. Minor cracking, but it is a lot better shape than the other one. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.